repair by removing and replacing the shingle here, which means we'll have to manipulate these courses of shingles to remove the nails and repair them. There's some damage there. So let's get started. So you look at here, currently we have some granules on the shingles that aren't damaged yet. Verification of where we are. We're on a steep slope, so hopefully you can capture this without the camera sliding down. Okie doke, so there's that. So first thing we'll do, we'll break the seal on this shingle here. Alright, so there's our shingle. It's damaged, that we're going to remove. Break the seals on all the shingles. That, and that one. Okay. Next, we're going to remove the nails so we can pull the shingle out. So we need to remove nails underneath this one and this one here, because the shingle comes up underneath about 13 inches, so that the roof will always be 2-ply. We're running into a little problem. The shingle here is sealed down to the ridge cap, so I can't pull it up without damaging the ridge cap. So that's going to be a problem that we'll have to deal with later on. For now, you can see here that I pulled the shingle out, so we removed the nails. So if we were to do a repair here, we would have to rip into this to get the shingle out and replace it, which I'm not going to do here because we're going to cause a lot of damage in that area, and I don't want to do that right now. So we'll just take the shingle, slide it back in as if we're going to do a new shingle, just to document whether or not there's going to be consequential damage. So I can document. So now we got to lift these shingles back up in order to nail them back in. So I need to lift it about that high to set my nail. Then I need to lift it just a little more to drive it. Again here.